She came and I was hopeless. She gave me your devotion. And
ek is nog. Yeah. Morning. Just arrived at work. And I'm early, man, so I think I'm gonna sit in the kitchen for a while and then I'm gonna go to my desk. Not sure if I have work to do today or not. We'll see. This week is gonna be like painful week because I'm going to Eastern Cape this weekend for a funeral. So it's not the best. Okay, it's not the best, you know. I think like reality is starting to sink in that Makazam has passed away or stuff. So yeah.
that's why I love her. It's independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. It's independent. Pull away the shine. It's there's something about got a woman that can do for herself. I look at her, it makes me proud. There's something about her. Something oh so sexy about got a woman that don't even need my help. She said she got no doubt. There's something about her.
Okay, I just got home, not just and I started cooking. Cause I'm not sure it's gonna get picky away. I am so hungry, little fish. But anyways, I got home. My packages arrived today. I was not here to collect them. Luckily, Umakolo, like my neighbor, she is that old lady is the best. But then she took in my packages for me. So let's unbox. Let's unbox. I'm gonna start with the small one. Kanye. Oh, one small banana thing.
Matthew 24, verse 5.
Yeah, but what?
18.
So I got this small thing came in this one box. We need one. Ooh. I don't even remember what I ordered. Like this, I bought these for my hair because I decided to go natural. So I'm gonna train myself to do my hair. And then last but not least, so a video. No, I bought a video making kit. Hopefully it works. So yeah, I thought it's smaller than I thought, but it's cool. I don't think this is what this is what I ordered, but I'm not sure if this is what I ordered, but I'm not sure if okay, but it's smaller than I thought, first of all, which is fine. But I thought it was like an actual USB. So, but yeah, it's cool. Anyways, next up. Check it out. I'm happy bad. I might just start a podcast just because this is not my the tripod. I have a tripod. Okay. How do you do this? How do you do this? I'm scared of breaking anything. Oh! You're pressing me. Wow. Oh. Oh. I've opened it up. Apparently it is just it's guys, this is so easy. Like, I don't know why Ninga Yazanga from the start. Like, come on now. You see, it is. And then you
I will not only screenshot. I will not only screenshot. I will have money to buy. I will have money to buy.
I'm just using DVD. Look at the difference. Anyway, no light with light. Look, my spongo is just shining. No light with light. I wanted to show you. Ooh. It's okay. Wait. Ooh, okay. I think that's gonna be it for today. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for today. Love you guys. See you tomorrow.
I'll bring the coffee with a kiss on your head. I'll take
So it's lunchtime. Okay. Anyways, guys, that's 37 grand for a sandwich and a Coke and a Fanta. Like, come on now. Anyways, we are going home now. I'm tired, I'm done. I'm tired, I'm done. And there's people, so yeah. Anyways, I'm home. I didn't vlog much today. One thing, I don't vlog much. I'm tired. And my outfit for the day was not for my weather packing. I was like, I'm gonna rock it. Hey, it was hot. It was hot, but it's cool, man. In the process of packing the bags, my dad, my little brother, because we're going to Eastern Cape this weekend for a funeral. So yeah, it's cool, man. It's cool. Anyways, I am packing clothes. Now we are using this pink big bag, but there's clothes in the bag, so I have to now transfer these clothes somewhere in there. Guys, I got some more, man. I got some more.
Oh, that pretty little face. Let me wrap my arms around you and never let go. Love me unconditionally, my one and only. Just set my heart free. I'm glad to be so lovely unconditionally, my one and only.
Fellow, it's me, I'm some song, you can mellow.
My one and only. Just set my heart free. I'm glad to be so lovely unconditionally.
Give me that na-na. She make me go na-na. Give me.
So I just got back from Eastern Cape. Nah, I couldn't vlog much, guys. I was emotional, I was stressed, I was crying, I was busy. So I didn't vlog much, man. Yeah, long weekend. My feet are painful. My feet are painful and big. Look at this. What is this? Oh my god. Like, can't. And it was like this. It was like this on Friday on the road. It was got there on Friday. I rested for what? 30 seconds, 30 minutes, and then so yeah, I vlogged where I was able to vlog. Well, vlog where I was emotionally able to vlog because I couldn't most of the time. Yeah, so I hope you guys like, subscribe, and comment. See you on the next vlog.
Esa pila, ngome esa khona